Good morning, everybody. I am recording a direction video for you this morning. I have what I think is a cold, but we all know with COVID that got to be safe rather than sorry. So I'm not able to come to school today. So you have a sub today. Be good, listen, cooperate. Remember that you guys are there to be helpers, ambassadors. So if the sub needs anything, it's your job to jump up and help. Okay? So here's what we're doing today. So I put in a reminder to be good. We're going to look at the photosynthesis week 2 slideshow. And you'll see some stuff in here that we were going to do that we're not going to do now. We were going to do a lab this week, but because I'm not there, we're going to push that to next week. So we're just going to kind of look at photosynthesis and the photosynthesis formula today. So with your sub or whatever teacher's in there, you guys will do the warm-up together after this video, so which is watching this video and then writing down that formula for photosynthesis in your science notebook. I put a cute little meme there for you. And then the equation is also in the slideshow if you need to copy it from there. This says graph time. We're going to wait and do that maybe tomorrow. I have to go get a test this morning, so I can't be on the meets, but I can tomorrow, so maybe we'll do that graph tomorrow. For our independent work, this is where it kind of changes. We were going to have half of us doing the lab and half of us doing this reading, but we're just going to do something totally different today. We are still going to read this light reactions reading, but then we're going to do something else together. So these doors were also for that lab so that we could have digital lab partners. But again, we'll just do that next week instead, no big deal. And then we'll still do the closure at the end of the day. There's a photosynthesis formula exit ticket. We're still going to be able to do that at the end of class. I thought you would enjoy this meme also. So those are slides for today. And then let's look at the assignments in classwork. Okay, so I'm actually going to change this to say the 27th because I made it for yesterday because I didn't think I was going to be here yesterday. Okay. So you still are going to have the light reactions readings and notes. So you're still going to have that to do. You're still going to have the photosynthesis formula exit ticket. I still want you to wait till the end of class to take that. Okay, so like last 10 minutes. But we're going to do this light reading reactions and notes first. Okay, and then after that, oh, and I'll show you that. So you just open this up. It's got directions right here, but basically you're opening up this link. And you're going to read all the text about light reactions, which is a fancy way to say photosynthesis. And then at the end, you're going to do the review questions. So you'll read all of this, read all of this, read the summary. You can ignore the explore more. You don't have to do that. Don't have to do explore more too either, unless you want to. And then you'll do the review questions. These right here, 1 through 4, go in your science notebook, okay? So after the warm-up, that's what everyone's doing first on your own. And you can use your Read, Write, Google tools if you have them to listen to this. And then after that is finished, make sure you click Turn In. And then you're going to do the Science World assignment. So do the Cute but Deadly first. There's a quiz that goes with it, but we're going to do that last. So Cute but Deadly, open that up. And again, it's got written directions here. And basically there's a link to the article and there's a link to the slideshow. I know some of you guys had a hard time getting into Science World the other day, so you just click on here and then you need to click log in. So you click log in and then you'd say I am a student and then you would just scroll down here to click log in with Google Classroom. Okay, so that's how you would get in. If for some reason you don't get in, whoever's in there for me today, I'm not sure if it's another teacher or a sub, but this is information for you. I have hard copies of the magazine on my desk in my science office. So if you have any kids who really can't get in, you can grab them a hard copy to use for today. Okay, and then you'll come into the Google Slides assignment. This is the other thing you need to do this assignment. So you'll see that there's steps on here. So the first slide, you're going to do this one before you read. So reading these questions and answering them in these text boxes. And then it asks you to read or listen to the article, because again, you can push the button and have it read to you, and then answer the question in the text box. And then it says watch the video. This video is in the article. It's the one about why puppies are cute. So I think it's like in the very first section. Hi, April. Daughter's awake. And then after that, you can answer this reflect and respond question. So it's going to ask you to research another cute animal, and it asks what kinds of adaptations help it survive. Are any of them surprisingly dangerous? So answer that question in here. And then the last question is to continue the learning journey. So share something you learned or attach a picture of your work. Create your own conservation campaign. Some animals are so cute that people want to remove them from the wild and keep them as pets, even if it's harmful to the animal or illegal. Create a campaign that will convince people to leave cute wild animals in their natural habitats. Be creative. For example, communicate your message in a video clip or a series of memes. So you can answer the question there and put your photo or your meme or your video there. Or if you can't get it to attach here, you can just attach it to the assignment separately. Good morning. So that is this assignment, and then after you've done that, there's also the quiz to go with it. So you'll come back here and take the quiz as well. If you do not finish the Science World assignment today, that is okay. We will keep working on it tomorrow. I don't really expect you to get all of that done. Here's what I do expect you to get done today is the light reaction readings and notes and the photosynthesis formula exit tickets. So here's the order that I think you should do things in. I would start with the warm-up, do that together as a class, then do the light reactions reading and notes, and then I would just go ahead and take the exit ticket then. Actually, I know I said to take it at the end of class, but I'm changing my mind. Let's take it while it's still fresh on our minds. And then after you finish those things, then let's start working on the Science World assignment, okay? And if by some, maybe you're a lightning fast student and you get everything done and you have extra time, first of all, I want you to go back and check your slides and make sure you're doing your absolute best work and that you didn't forget anything. And then I would like you to do extensions. So on our weekly slideshow, I again added extensions to slide 15. Okay, so there's some more extensions that you can do there today. All right, have a great day, and I hope to see you soon.